Every single second, hundreds of Coca-Cola bottles are produced, but almost nobody knows what really happens inside this incredible factory. How can every bottle taste exactly the same, no matter where it's made in the world? The answer begins with an extraordinary manufacturing process. The journey starts with purified water. It passes through advanced filtration and sterilization systems to ensure every single drop meets the highest quality standards. Next, purified water is blended with carefully prepared syrup inside enormous stainless steel mixing tanks using computer-controlled precision. Carbon dioxide is added to create the signature fizz, giving Coca-Cola its refreshing sparkle and unmistakable taste that millions enjoy every day. Meanwhile, tiny plastic preforms are transformed into full-size Coca-Cola bottles using extreme heat and powerful high-pressure air in just a few seconds. Before filling begins, every bottle is automatically cleaned and inspected by advanced cameras and sensors to guarantee perfect hygiene and quality. High-speed rotary filling machines then fill hundreds of bottles every minute with chilled, sparkling Coca-Cola, maintaining incredible speed and perfect consistency. Each bottle is instantly sealed with its iconic red cap, locking in freshness and protecting the beverage before it continues down the production line. The famous Coca-Cola label is wrapped around every bottle with incredible precision, creating the instantly recognizable look seen all over the world. Next, laser printers add production details while intelligent vision systems inspect every bottle for the correct fill level, cap position, and label quality. The approved bottles are automatically grouped into multipacks, where heat shrink technology securely wraps them for safe transportation. Powerful robotic palletizers rapidly stack the packaged bottles onto pallets with perfect accuracy, preparing thousands of products for shipment every hour. Inside the automated warehouse, intelligent storage systems and autonomous forklifts organize every pallet, ensuring fast and efficient distribution. Loaded onto delivery trucks, Coca-Cola begins its journey from the factory to supermarkets, restaurants, and stores across the country. Within hours, the bottles arrive on supermarket shelves, ready to be picked up and enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Finally, an ice-cold Coca-Cola is opened with its signature refreshing fizz and poured over crystal clear ice, completing an incredible journey from factory to consumer. From purified water to the iconic bottle found around the world, every step reflects precision, innovation, and world-class engineering. Thank you for watching Skay Factory Docs. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory we should explore next. See you in the next documentary.